Wanna earn money online without investment? By just doing simple typing works. If you see my video till end, I will share a secret trick to earn money faster and easier in this website. So stick on this video. But just a second before, I request you to subscribe my channel to get more interesting videos on online earning. Don't worry, I show everything step by step. For this trick of earning passive income, you don't need any skills or waste time to learn for this, or you don't need any kind of knowledge, just you need a computer or laptop or a smartphone. Step number 1. Head over to this website, link in description. Click Get Free Trial button. If you're signing in for first time, then fill up all the information that asks. After you log in, you come to this home page. You can see that my balance is 81 rupees, and I have earned it in just 10 minutes. It may be 1.11 in dollars. You see here, the works that pay us: CAPTCHA entry, snippet entry, data entry, form filling, page typing. But the thing is, CAPTCHA entry is the only free, but we can earn passive income from only this work. You can also earn much by referring, but you no need to refer your friends, family or anybody. Just watch video till end, I will say a trick to get more referral income. Step number 2, click this Start Work button. You need to wait a while, and image will appear on this page. Just you need is write the word given an image below. Here's an example. After you complete writing, you need to wait for few seconds and click the Save button. After you click the Save button, your answer will be reviewed within 5 to 10 minutes. If your answer is correct, then the website will pay you. If wrong, it won't pay. After completion of one CAPTCHA writing, you can go for another immediately. You can see here how much you can earn from this website. The more CAPTCHA you solve, the more you get paid. Here is the instructions that help you to write correct CAPTCHA. Up here, there is Report button. Here you can see whether your CAPTCHA is correct or not. They give the exact report for each CAPTCHA you solved. Main thing is you get payout for your bank account only. Be very careful when you fill bank details because you can't edit after once you filled. Here's how to earn from referral link. Come to home page of this website and copy your referral link. And come to Quora.com. Come to search bar and search for how to make money online, and you get lot of questions. Write an attractive paragraph including your link. And post it as your answer in this website. The more you answer, the more refers you get. That's all for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and support us by subscribing. For next videos, suggest me by commenting.